All right, good afternoon, everybody. We're live streaming on YouTube. Court will continue with the November 14th, 2022 docket. And let me see who I get first here. Who are you gonna call?
I don't know what Mr. Alfredo Morales says. I don't see him on the docket.
Mr. Alfredo Morales. I see Mr. Alfredo Morales.
He was retained on CR 21-079-96D.
The first one.
And on that one, we're also gonna need a restitution hearing.
Okay, this is on, okay, Alfredo Morales. And that'll be Jose de Jesus Flores.
And I don't know where he went.
But where is Mr. Well, you know what, Jill? Mr. Morales already logged out. He's on the list, but I mean, he was on the waiting room, but he logged out. So there he is. He's back on. Getting him on here. Get Mr. Morales. Can I get him in here? All right, Mr. Morales, welcome back.
Yes, thank you, Judge. My apologies.
Yes, so you thought you were through real quickly, huh?
Yes,
You left like in a split second.
I know.
All right. It'll be a plea with Mr. Flores.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Will he need interpreting?
Yes, Judge, you will.
He will? Okay. Let me get ready here. All right. Please raise your right hand.
Por favor, levanta tu mano derecha.
You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Juras que el testimonio que vas a dar es la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Flores, tienes que contestar sí o no.
Sí.
¿Comprendes?
Sí. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand up.
Pues a bajar la mano.
CR 21-07996D, Jose de Jesus Martinez Flores. Your charge, assault, class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Flores, te acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta es, ¿comprendes eso sí o no? Tienes que contestar sí o no. Yes.
Okay. You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights.
¿Comprendes tú que tienes el derecho de que un jurado oiga tu caso? También tienes el derecho de apelar, pero es correcto que rechazaste esos dos derechos. Esos son los documentos que le firmaste al abogado. ¿Es correcto eso sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
¿Alguna vez te han declarado que estés mentalmente incompetente?
No.
No.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
Y comprendes tú que la corte no tiene que seguir la recomendación. La corte te puede dar cualquier sentencia todo y cuando él se quede adentro de la ley. ¿Comprendes eso sí o no?
Sí.
¿Necesitas contestar en voz alta?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that if you're not a U.S. citizen, that your plea of guilty in your case may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or the denial of naturalization under federal law?
Comprendes que si te declaras culpable y no eres ciudadano de este país, eso puede resultar en deportación, exclusión o que te niegue la entrada a este país bajo leyes federales. ¿Comprendes eso sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
And was that explained to you by your attorney?
¿Y eso se te explicó a ti por tu abogado?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. And how do you plead? Guilty or not
¿Y
guilty?
cómo te declaras? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Culpable.
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
¿Te estás declarando culpable libre y voluntariamente?
No.
Sorry?
¿Te estás declarando culpable libre y voluntariamente?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. State's evidence.
Your Honor, state offers plea documents and offense reports as State's Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as State's Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosures as State's Exhibit number 3, and waiver of risk and needs assessment as State's Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. State would further request defense counsel stipulate to the fact that all evidence which has been e-filed is sufficient to corroborate today's plea of guilty.
No objection as to the evidence, Your Honor, and so agree and stipulate to venue and jurisdiction and that the evidence supports the conviction.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. And a recommendation, State?
Your Honor, in CR 21-07996D, the state recommends a $400 fine, court costs, 1 year Hidalgo County Jail, probated over 18 months, Mujeres Unidas Batterers Program, 30 community service hours, open restitution, an affirmative finding of family violence, and for the defendant to stay away from the victim, Celia del Ángel Andrade.
Okay, I'm sorry. Finding of family violence and then restitution hearing?
Yes,
Or-
Judge.
What's the name again? Did you get it?
Celia del Ángel Andrade.
Celia Andrade? Okay. And we need a date for that, right? It'll be 12/14.
11 a.m.
11 a.m. 12/14, 11 a.m. for the restitution hearing. Okay, let me see here. Mr. Morales, is that the understanding, sir?
Yes, that's the substance of the plea agreement, Your Honor. And
Okay.
also, he agreed that it would run concurrent with his felony case CR-4574-22-A.
Okay, and how long is that probation?
5 years deferred.
Okay, 5 years deferred. Okay, on this one, we'll go ahead and run it concurrent, and it'll be $100 fine, but no court costs and no fees, no probation fees, just the fine, because it'll run concurrent with the other case, and no community hours.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Okay, but just let them know that for 12/14, 11 a.m., we're going to be here for a restitution hearing. Okay,
José, en el caso tuyo, la multa te la bajó en vez de 400, te la bajó a $100, te quitó los costos de corte y no vas a pagar costos de libertad condicional en este caso porque ya vas a pagar en la felonía. También te quitó las horas de servicio a la comunidad. Este caso va a correr conjunto con la felonía y es importante de que el día 14 de diciembre a las 11 de la mañana te reportes a esta corte a ver si hay daños. Si la víctima fue al doctor o causaste daños, entonces vas a ser responsable por liquidar esos costos. Es el día 14 de diciembre a las 11 de la mañana.
okay, okay. It's all. That'll do it. Thank you very much.
Te
Thank
puedes
you.
retirar.
Have a good afternoon.
Likewise.
Yes, sir. We'll see you, Mr. Morales.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Manji has number 3, Hector Ganderia.
No, Héctor Ganderia. Héctor Ganderia. Mr. Manji, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. How you doing?
Fine, thank you, sir. We have a plea, right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that'll be CR 22-09866D, Héctor Ganderia Jr. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down. Your charge, Class B misdemeanor. It carries giving a false statement to a police officer. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial. You're entitled to an appeal. And did you waive those two rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give a plea?
Yes.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right, state.
Your Honor, the state offers plea documents and offense reports as State's Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as State's Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosures as State's Exhibit 3, and waiver of risk and needs assessment as State's Exhibit number 4. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. State would further request defense counsel stipulate to the fact that all evidence which has been e-filed is sufficient to corroborate today's plea of guilty.
No objections and so stipulated, Your Honor.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. In our recommendation, state.
In CR 22-09866D, the state recommends a $300 fine, court costs 180 days, Hidalgo County Jail, probated over 5 months, a life skills course, and 30 community service hours.
And 30 hours. Okay. Mr. Manji, is that the understanding, sir?
Yeah, it is, Your Honor.
Okay. Court will hereby waive the community hours. Okay. So it'll be $300 fine plus court cost, 180 over 5 months in the life skill course. All right. Good luck with your probation. Okay, sir. You're excused. Have a good day.
Yeah. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you. Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you. You too. Bye.
We're waiting for attorneys Jesse Villalobos, Sergio Sanchez, and Melissa Canales.
That is correct. There's 3 lawyers we're waiting for: Jesus Villalobos, Sergio Sanchez, and Melissa Canales. So we'll take a little brief recess here. Okay, guys? We'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. Court will continue here with November 14, 2022 docket. And Ms. Canales, we're here on Jose Luis Gonzalez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. What do we have? A plea?
I believe we have an agreement, Your Honor,
An agreement. Okay.
on reduction.
Okay. And what is it?
It's 1,500 cash surety.
1,500, 1,500 cash surety?
Yes, Your Honor.
Cash surety on CR 22-11-162D, Jose Luis Gonzalez. All right. Is that the understanding, state?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge, and if we can just have the defendant to have no harmful contact with the victim, Maria Donis.
Okay, Maria. Last name.
I didn't hear.
I didn't hear the last name.
Donis, D-O-N-I-S.
Donis. Okay. No harmful contact with Maria Donis. And it'll be a $1,500 cash surety. Now we have to give him a pretrial date.
For May 24th,
Okay, Ms. Canales, May 24th, what time?
2023 at 2 p.m.
2 p.m., May 24th, 2 p.m. However, Ms. Canales, if you do work something out earlier, please let the court know. We'll bring you right away, okay, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank
But
you.
for right now, pretrial, May 24th, 2 p.m.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
that'll do it. Your excuse, Mr. Gonzalez. Please, no harmful contact, okay, sir? Cuidado, mucho cuidado. Okay.
Dallas Gutierrez, number 2.
All right, thank you, Ms. Canales. Have a good day, ma'am.
I think I had one more, Judge.
Give me the name.
It's at 2:30.
Oh, at 2:30.
Okay, I'll
Two more
log back on.
cases to do.
Yeah,
No, she can stay on.
she can stay on.
We've
Okay.
got 2 more jail cases to do.
All right, you can stay on,
Okay,
ma'am. We'll
I'll just
call you back
wait.
in. Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Where do you
Judge.
want to go?
Your client is not on yet, Melissa. You might want to make sure he logs on.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Mr. Dallas Gutierrez.
Good morning, Judge.
Yes,
Good
sir.
afternoon.
Good. Yes, sir. Good. Probably morning in Tokyo or something, but here we are. It's good afternoon. Okay, sir. Francisco Juarez, right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. And he currently in custody in Hidalgo County because he's been in Brooks and we've been having a lot of problems trying to get a hold of them.
Okay.
Okay.
He's there right now. Is it a motion to revoke?
It is. We've already been sent the paperwork and we just needed to get him signed up. So since he's there right now, I can leave here within the next hour, get him signed up. Is there
Okay.
another
You ready?
soon date we could do it?
When you want to do it?
We can do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes.
What time tomorrow?
I don't know. We'll call his office.
You know what, Mr. Gutierrez? Go ahead and do that. Sign him up today, and we'll call you right back and give you a date for tomorrow morning. Okay? I mean, an hour for tomorrow morning, okay?
Your
Thank you,
Honor,
Judge. I'll do that.
Yes.
Your Honor, so this defendant does have a 10,000 cash surety in a harassment case. It's CR 22-11-341D.
Uh-huh.
That one, it just got filed this morning, Judge. I just wanted to give the court notice just because once he pleads for this revo, he will have that bond pending. So
We
he will
can
have
reserve
that.
it for Wednesday at 11:30.
Okay, then, Mr. Gutierrez, it'll probably be Wednesday,
At 11:30.
11:30 in the morning.
Mhm.
Wednesday, 11:30 in the morning.
And I'll speak with the ADA to see if we can still resolve it with this.
Okay.
Because if he has a pending one, I don't want to put him in a worse situation. So I'll be in
Okay.
contact with her.
Okay, very well. Let's set it for Wednesday,
But this is- we can talk to him.
11:30, right?
They're gonna take him.
Yeah, but I guess I would still go talk to him because so they won't take him away. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Then you and Mr. Juarez are excused. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All
Have a
right.
good day.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Juarez, your attorney will be seeing you later this afternoon. Okay, sir? And you want to say in Spanish?
Señor Juárez, el abogado se va a ir a verlo más tarde, ahí en la cárcel, porque tiene otro caso pendiente, su abogado va a ir a verlo.
Okay.
No puede arreglar el caso ahorita.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Gracias.
Gracias. Thank you. Are we going to get next?
Waiting for Mr. Sanchez.
Oh,
to
waiting
log
for
on.
Mr. Sanchez. That's right. Mr.
And the last joke is Apolinar Hernández.
Apolinar Hernandez. That is the last jail case. We're waiting for Mr. Sergio Sanchez. Mr. Hernandez, we're waiting for your attorney. He hasn't checked in yet, okay? You may want to have a seat. We'll call you back in a little while.
Puede tomar asiento, estamos esperando a su abogado, todavía no se ha conectado.
No se ha presentado. Okay. Okay, take a brief recess here. All right, good afternoon here. Court will resume with the November 14th, 2022 docket. And Mr. Sanchez, your case is Apolinar Hernandez.
Judge, that's gonna be a plea. I'm asking for a plea date. I just need to sign him up. We got a
Okay,
very fair wreck of the state.
okay, I tell you what, tomorrow morning then? Is that what-
Um,
Tomorrow morning?
Wednesday at 11:30.
Okay, Wednesday, 11:30.
yes, sir, Judge.
Wednesday, 11:30. Please sign him up, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wednesday, 11:30, and that'll be Apolinar Hernandez, CR 22-11-136D. All right, Mr. Hernandez, we'll see you on Wednesday, 11:30, okay, sir?
El caso se ha cambiado para el miércoles a las 11:30 de la mañana. Su abogado va a ir a hablar con usted.
Okay. All right, that'll do it for the 2:30. I mean, sorry, 2:00.
Yeah, that concludes all of our inmates.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day. Is that it for right now? We come
That's
back
it.
at 2:30?
No. We stay on.
Oh, we stay on. Okay.
Judge, good afternoon. May I be excused?
Yes, you're excused. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you,
All right,
Judge.
we'll see you. Okay, bye-bye. All right, court will resume with the November 14th, 2022 docket. And we have Mr. Ortegon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. You represent Jacob Cardenas, CR 22-07-427D.
That is correct, Your Honor. I told him that the court was at 2:30. That he is logged on.
Yes, he's on.
Yes,
Yes,
Judge.
he's on.
I was in contact with Mr. Cardenas. This is a compliance hearing, Your Honor. I did advise him, and he did advise me that he was getting the device. So, Mr. Cardenas, were you able to get that device, and who is that device with?
Oh, there it
He
is.
needs to unmute.
He's got it already. Yeah, you need to unmute, Mr. Cardenas.
There we go.
All
Sorry,
right. Yes, sir.
sorry about that, Your Honor. Yes, I have it with one protection in McAllen. It's right off Nolana and 10th Street.
Nolana and 10th Street. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did you
We
get
have Priscilla.
Did you get that, Miss Solis?
Yes, Judge, I got it.
You got it?
One protection?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So then it'll be a pretrial date, PT, Mr. Ortegon, for May 24th, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2023, 2 p.m. However, Mr. Ortegon, if you do settle something with the state, please let us know and we'll call you a lot earlier, okay?
Absolutely, Your Honor. We'll definitely start working on that, Judge.
Right. And in the meantime, Mr. Cardenas, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Of course, Your Honor.
All right. You take care of it. You take care of that, okay?
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you.
Judge.
Have a good one.
That's all
right.
me and Mr. Cardenas have, Your Honor. May we be excused?
You may be excused. Have a great day, okay?
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, Judge.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Did Miss Alvarez find her line?
Yes, Miss Alvarez. Where's Miss Alvarez? There she is.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Yes, Miss Alvarez. You have Leonel Dominguez, CR 22-06-265. D. And that's what, also compliance hearing or what?
Rachel, is it a compliance? Because it's just under here.
Yeah,
Yes, Your Honor, I believe so.
compliance or, yeah, or restitution.
It's compliance, Judge.
Compliance, okay. And where is Mr. Dominguez?
I just spoke with him, Your Honor. He should be on.
Okay,
Yes, I'm sorry, Judge. Yes, it is a compliance hearing.
compliance hearing, okay. Very well. Yeah, I still got about 5 more minutes. And Ms. Canales, do you know if he complied?
Yes, he did, Your Honor. He does have his, I believe it's a portable.
Oh, okay. All right, that's good news. Yeah, it's 2:25. We need to give him about 5 minutes anyway. Gonna recess for 5 minutes. Take a short little brief recess here.
Okay, Judge.
All right, court will resume with the November 14, 2022 docket. And we have CR 2206-265D, State versus Leonel Dominguez. All right, Mr. Dominguez, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is a compliance hearing. Did you get the device after all?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, under what vendor? What is the name of the company?
Safety check.
Safety check. Okay. And did you get the mobile or the interlock for the vehicle?
I believe this is the mobile,
Okay,
right?
okay. All right, that's the mobile. All right. Then we're gonna get you a pretrial date. Ms. Canales, pretrial date 5/24/23, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2 p.m. However, if you settle something with the state and you want us to hear earlier, let us know. We'll bump it up. But for right now, pre-trial 5/24, 2 p.m. And in the meantime, Mr. Dominguez, please remember no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck with that.